everyone, welcome back to Math in the Wild. Today we're at Michael's craft store and we're gonna pick up something fun, but first we're gonna put our math skills to the test. We have a 25% off coupon to help us save some cash, so let's see how much it's gonna cost us after discounts and tax. Let's go. In our pickleball era. Should we get one of these? So our coupon for 25% off has to be on a regular price purchase. It can't have a discount already applied to it. Okay, I think we found the item we're gonna take home. It's a Make Market pixelated brick art piece and it is $19.99. So we're gonna do the math here. We're gonna multiply the item $19.99 by the coupon 25%. But we can't multiply in percentages, we have to turn it into decimals. So we're gonna multiply 19.99 by 0.25. That's gonna give us 4.99. Now we're gonna subtract our original price by the coupon discount. So it's gonna be 19.99 minus 4.99. That gives us $15. With the coupon, this will be $15. Now we have to add California tax, which is 9.75%. We're going to do 15 times 0.0975. We get 1.46. Now we're gonna add that to $15. Our total price for this will come out to $16.46. Let's go buy it. Okay, there you have it. Real world math in action. We were only 1 cent off. I don't know where that cent went. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let us know, when was the last time you used a coupon at the store?